Hello everyone, greetings from me, Pooja. Once again, a prayer that all you may be healthy in the hands of God with the masks of safety, with the masks of prayers, and with the gloves of care and brotherhood which we all share together today in this, time of Corona. I would pray for everyone, and today I will start the video with a prayer, with a universal prayer which I have been praying all throughout to be always positive, and today I will be sharing it with you also, all around the world. Some of you may be knowing, some of you may be not, right? So I will be saying the prayer in 3 languages, that is Hindi, English and Gujarati, जो आप सभी को समझ में आए. I hope you will be connecting with me. Yes, let's begin the prayers. Let's join the hands, close the eyes. I love everyone. I forgive everyone unconditionally, by knowingly or unknowingly. If I have committed any mistakes by any means in any way, I beg pardon for that. I have no complaints for anyone. હું બધાને બિનશરતી પ્રેમ કરું છું. હું બધાને બિનશરતી ક્ષમા કરું છું. જાણે અજાણે જો મારાથી કોઈને પણ કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનું દુઃખ અથવા તો કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની પીડા પહોંચી હોય તો હું એ સર્વે થી ક્ષમા માંગુ છું. મને કોઈ પ્રત્યે ફરિયાદ નથી. मैं सबसे प्यार करती हूँ. मैं सबको बिन शर्ती क्षमा करती हूँ. जाने अनजाने अगर किसी ने मुझे किसी भी तरह की पीड़ा या दुख दिया है, मैं उन सब को भी क्षमा करती हूँ. मुझे किसी से भी किसी भी तरह की कोई भी फरियाद नहीं है. This is the universal prayer, guys, which I have been praying throughout, and this has been the biggest confidence for me. This is, I would say, a booster, and even above a booster, that has been, say, a magnet for myself, that I am standing in front of you and I am speaking in front of you. In my last video, I had shared my thoughts about fear, how to overcome your fear with an experiment of a balloon. I hope you people would have enjoyed it. Yes, and would have done it. Today I am going to go one step above. That is, when now you have overcome your fears, now it stands a time to step forward once more, a move ahead, where we need to decide what to do and what to leave behind. So what will be this step now? In this position or at this moment, we face certain doubts. So now, how are we going to overcome these doubts and step behind or step ahead? What are we going to step behind? All our doubts that are stopping us from moving ahead. अपने सारे के सारे doubts हम क्या कर देंगे? पीछे छोड़ देंगे. Yes, and आगे बढ़ेंगे हम अपनी positivity के साथ. Now, to outlay this thing, if I say that there is a train that is moving on the tracks, does the train know that it is moving on what tracks? Yes, I would say definitely yes, to some extent, that a driver of a train knows to go in which direction, but there a role is being played by some guards and workers apart from the train driver, who usually change the tracks where the crossroad of the train occurs. Yes, the crossroads of the tracks. That is, in which direction, be it left, be it right, be it north, be it south, east or west, according to the given direction, according to the given journey, given destination the train has to reach. So these guards play a major role in the pathway of the train. Similarly, when we give the positive commands to our own self, this guards play an important role in giving us a specific track to reach our desired destinations. Once again, I repeat. Say, if I want to go to Chennai from here, I start my journey from my own town to move to Chennai in the train. But midway, there are numerous places, numerous towns, numerous cities, numerous villages I come across. I see many people around me. But do I step out? No, I don't step out. I only step out when my destination arrives. In the same way, when we need to decide where we want to go first. So now, here comes the first step, that how do we decide that where do I want to go? If I give you an example, that will you like to input salt in the water, or will you like to input an ink in the water? What would be more fruitful, salt or an ink in the water? I think salt would be more fruitful. Yes, because when it gets dried, it gives you an audible salt, I would say, that is to eat. Yes, the ink, the colored water would only show you the color, how it blends. But the food which you intake is going to be eaten, that is with the help of salt. Though the input of ink in the water has its own features, has its own positive points. But right now, we are going on the things to decide that what to do to remove your doubts. So now, the doubt is once again a stone that is you need to throw away with all your positive thoughts. Now, what are these positive thoughts? The prayer which I said, I usually speak these prayers throughout the day, but when I sleep at night and when I wake up early in the morning, firstly I thank God that He had given me a beautiful day, and with the prayer which I had shared, that boosts once again some more volts of positivity in myself to decide my destination, that where am I going to go, and this is going to help me to reach to my destiny. And the doubts which we have within ourselves, so how are we going to clear it? It is we who are going to clear it with our prayers and with the guards. Now, what are these guards? These guards are the people who are around us. Say they are our own family members and friends who are going to guard us, who are going to show us our own pathways that is going to be correct for us. Yes, and the positive vibrations. Now, one more thing to share apart from this. If I say we all are ball of energies, हम सब एक एनर्जी के बॉल्स हैं. Though we have this body, though we have some sensitivities, we have some senses, but apart from this, we all are a part of an energy that is revolving round the universe. Be it protons, neutrons or electrons. If I term it in these three parts. Yes? Now, there are three energies. One is positive, one is negative, and the third is the neutral energy. That is neither positive, neither negative. So it is we who are going to decide where do we want to go. Firstly, we need to decide where do we want to go. Do we want to go on the paths of positivity, or do we want to go on the paths of negativity? So from here, it starts a new journey, and we need to overcome the obstacles, that is the doubts, the confusions, right? So I hope you would have tuned in with the example and the thoughts which I have shared today. And I would request all of you to tune in to me, give your comments about the speech and the thoughts which I share with you. And I would say, if you liked this, please share your positive vibes to me in the form of your comments, in the form of your likes, and subscribe the channel if you liked it. And I would thank you so much, all of you, for your support, for your love and the care you share always with me. Signing off. See you with a care and a safe prayer to see you soon in the next episodes. Thank you.